Hello and welcome everyone to this TensorFlow tutorial, and this is the third tutorial about installing TensorFlow on a Mac system. So open the terminal on your Mac system and let me make it bigger for you so that it is clearly visible to you. Before installing TensorFlow, first step is to check the version of the Python. So to check a version of Python, type a command python 3 hyphen version and hit enter. Now, as you can see, the version of the Python is a 3.8, and now the latest version of the Python in the market is a 3.12. So before installing TensorFlow, make sure you have a Python version between 3.8 and 3.12. Now, let's move and create a virtual environment where we will install TensorFlow. To create a virtual environment, type python 3 venv, and this venv is the package that allows you to create a virtual environment. And after this, specify the name of the environment. You can give any name. So here I'm going to give a name a TensorFlow env and then hit enter. It will take a little time and creates the virtual environment TensorFlow env. Now environment is created. Let's view it. Type ls to view all the directory and folder. And here you can see this is the folder TensorFlow env. And this folder contains the activate file, which activates the environment. So to activate the environment, type command source, then specify the name of the environment that you want to activate. So here the environment is a TensorFlow env, and we want to activate this environment. Type here TensorFlow env /bin/activate and hit enter. And if you see something like here within a parenthesis TensorFlow, then you have activated the environment TensorFlow env. Here we are going to install the TensorFlow or the latest version of TensorFlow. So for that, type a command pip 3 install TensorFlow and hit enter. As you can see in the output, it's saying you are using a pip version 19 and you need to upgrade to pip version 24. So type here command pip 3 install upgrade pip and hit enter. It's downloading the latest version of pip, installing the latest version of pip. So here you can see the latest version of pip 2.4 is installed on your system. Now again run the command pip 3 install TensorFlow and hit enter. As you can see, it's downloading the TensorFlow and its packages from the internet, and wait for some time. It will install the TensorFlow on your system. As you can see here, the TensorFlow is installed successfully on your system. So to verify it, you need to import and call the version function of the TensorFlow to check the version of the TensorFlow. So if you see a screen something like this, then you have successfully installed TensorFlow on your Mac system. This is how you can install TensorFlow on a Mac system. So at last, I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.